Hello, everybody, and welcome to the show. This is a serious health warning about dangerous side effects of Xanax and benzodiazepines in general, like Valium. This is what your doctor won't tell you, but should tell you. There are fast, slow, and medium benzos. Valium is the slowest, and Xanax is the fastest. This is why initial use of Valium often causes grogginess the next day and possibly for 48 hours. Valium takes the longest to have an effect and its effects last the longest. Xanax is the quickest to have an effect and is the quickest to wear off, which makes it particularly dangerous for heavy users. Sudden withdrawals of all benzodiazepines can cause seizures, heart attacks, or even strokes, resulting in death. Death from an overdose of benzodiazepines is a most hideous thing to witness. The body changes color multiple times and a range of grotesque emissions occur during the process. This is a dramatic and vile way to pass. Most disturbing for the people who have to clean up the mess. Many overdoses are caused by people taking too much by mistake. Benzodiazepines are anti-anxiety drugs. They remove the things that trigger your anxiety. Therefore, you stop to care about the important things you should remember. It's not uncommon for people to lose their keys, lose their phone, forget to wipe ass, all the usual things we should be anxious about in order to function correctly go out the window. It is easy to forget how many pills have been taken. Plus, the effects can take so long to come on that users often think that they have not worked or they did not take enough, so they double up. A fatal error. My point is, keeping track of dosage is extremely difficult on drugs that make you not care about keeping track of dosage. All benzos are physically addictive, and the final withdrawals from the last pill is minimum 2 weeks of cold turkey, by far worse than the 3 days it takes to go cold turkey on heroin. Xanax cold turkey is extremely uncomfortable. Sleep will be difficult. There is the potential for psychosis and panic attacks, seizures and spasms. Heart attacks and strokes are a potential of withdrawing from any benzodiazepine. The heart will race and flutter. Sporadic twitches and spasms will occur throughout the body. This is perhaps the most disconcerting element, because at any point, one of these twitches or spasms could escalate into a full-blown seizure, stroke, or heart attack, resulting in death or brain damage. Some kind of combination of weed, alcohol, and beta blockers to reduce the heart rate are necessary to prevent seizures and heart attacks during cold turkey. Doctors may think you are epileptic and treat you with epileptic medication to prevent further seizures. These are aggressive tranquilizers and a whole new world of zombification. You do not want to be misdiagnosed as epileptic. Note, cocaine and all cocaine derivatives have the same potential to cause seizure, heart attack, or stroke. And again, these seizures can be misdiagnosed as epilepsy. People die from seizures and heart attacks when they have nothing in their system. This is why superstars like Amy Winehouse, although known Valium user, had a clean system when she died. Doctors will tell you one pill will stop the side effects. All benzos take well over a month to 2 months of reducing the dosage before the cold turkey can begin. If you do not reduce slowly enough, you can trigger seizure, panic attack, or psychotic episode. This process cannot be accelerated. The result could be fatal. In the case of benzodiazepines, you cannot just stop. You must reduce and substitute. For people who have been taking any kind of benzos daily for several months will experience physical withdrawals, panic attacks, and psychotic, potentially violent episodes. The stopping can cause seizures and heart attacks. Xanax starts as downer. As body becomes more dependent, its effects become more upper and can cause panic attacks and violent episodes. The mind can fixate on delusions, arguments, resentments. These intense thoughts can escalate And again, the anti-anxiety nature of Xanax means in the heat of the moment, oral restraint is lost and violence could well occur. People become argumentative and aggressive in sporadic, unpredictable episodes. So they can kill you in two ways: if you take too much or if you don't take any. When people are physically addicted, if they just stop, it can trigger seizures, heart attacks and strokes. It's common to feel the twitches and spasms after use finish. The benefits of benzodiazepine is to relax body and reduce anxiety. There are numerous natural remedies easily available, and you are likely to learn a lot more about yourself and life and world than using drug invented by Nazis that drive people crazy and cause death, destroy life and families. Fuck Xanax.